Good morning. This is Bliss with Liz with another episode. And today I'm going to share my weekend project, which was to put this bird nest fern into this old railway sleeper that I found. So, what I've done is to place the bird nest fern into the crevices within the log itself. Very simple. Just put in some soil and cocoa peat so that it retains water, and just plant it in. Just find any nook and crevice on the log and just place the plants inside. I'm so happy with my creative work. I hope it grows and be happy there. Alright, birds, be happy and grow well. Thank you, everyone.